Hi friends, this is Dr. Sudhir Sharma with the new video titled Correct Way to Convert Harmful Anger into Useful Action. In the beginning, I would like to mention some qualities of natural or spontaneous anger. This natural anger is an instinctive reaction that serves a very useful purpose in our life. It arises as a strong wave of energy whenever we see something wrong or unjustified happening in our environment. Under its influence, we are able to perform some much needed useful action quickly and spontaneously. This natural anger may result in shouting the warning to others, or there may be the start of an action to stop or change whatever wrong or harmful is happening or is about to happen in our environment. So friends, let us remember that this natural anger serves a protective and useful function in our daily life. And now friends, let us understand some other kind of angers which are harmful to our health and destroy the good qualities of our relationships with others. Friends, all of us have experienced feeling agitated and angry even when we are sitting all alone by ourselves. This thought-generated anger arises in the imaginary world that comes alive inside our heads. Please remember that we are never conscious of the fact that it is an imaginary world that is making us angry. The anger so generated is very harmful for our health, happiness, and peace of mind. Unlike what happens with natural anger, here the energy of anger is not being converted to perform some useful protective action. Hence, it becomes harmful for our health. Friends, the second type of harmful anger is produced again inside our heads, but this time we are conscious of the reasons that are producing this anger. The behavior of some person or a situation is not to our liking, but we are going to meet that person or have to face that unwanted situation in near or far future. That person may be a part of our family, a close relative, a colleague, or a neighbor. This projected world that comes alive inside our heads creates wave after wave of anger much before we face that person or situation in future. As no useful or protective action can be performed in this type of anger, this too becomes very harmful for our health. The reason for making us angry can be very personal. One may be unhappy with one's looks, status, career prospects, etc. etc. The anger so generated will continue to be harmful as long as its energy is not being utilized to perform some useful protective action. So friends, now we come to all important question of how to correctly convert harmful anger into useful action. Let me highlight one very important point about this conversion process. This conversion will not occur by intellectual understanding. This will occur only as a doing action, only as a spontaneous action. You can understand this much more clearly by taking the example of natural anger. Our actions have to be on similar lines when dealing with these harmful angers I have mentioned before. One very important thing needs to happen as soon as you are conscious of the fact that you are generating harmful type of anger inside your head. You need to become alert and attentive to whatever is happening in your immediate environment. Exactly the same alertness and attentiveness arises naturally in natural anger. Similarly, here in harmful anger scenario, you are letting the energy of anger flow through your eyes and ears to make them function more alertly and sensitively. To be in this alert, attentive state is a very wise, very intelligent thing to do. So, dear friends, it is this new, alert, attentive state of being that will give you the capacity to undertake any needed action quickly, spontaneously, and decisively. Dear friends, with this capacity in place, you will realize that our goal of understanding the correct way to convert harmful anger into useful action has been accomplished. Using the energy of harmful anger to be in this alert and attentive state is the action. It is from this state many other useful actions will arise to free you from the clutches of harmful anger. Dear friends, I am repeating what I emphasized in the beginning. This conversion process is a doing action. It is a spontaneous action. You have to do this spontaneously again and again and see your capacity to convert harmful anger into useful action rise day by day. Dear friends, like and share this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching the video to the very end.